Introducing the Megatrone Automatic Folding 4-Wheel Scooter. Experience the innovation of fully automatic folding. With just a simple press of a button, the Megatrone folds and unfolds all by itself, making it the easiest and most portable mobility scooter on the market. Crafted from a premium aluminum alloy, the Megatrone is both strong and lightweight. Unable to lift 52 pounds, the Vulcan wheelchair lift can lift your Megatrone with ease into any vehicle. It's designed for superior performance with a top speed of 6 miles per hour and a travel range of up to 16 miles on a single charge. Whether you're cruising on cement, grass, or tile, the Megatrone's robust design allows you to conquer diverse terrains with ease. Enjoy every ride with our comfortable memory foam seat and adjustable armrests, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. Stay worry-free with our lightweight lithium battery and spare battery included at no extra cost. The Megatrone is perfect for travel, easily fitting into the trunk of any car or allowing you to take it on airplanes and cruise ships, fully FAA approved. With advanced features like an electromagnetic braking system, anti-tip wheels, and easy maneuverability, you'll have peace of mind wherever you go. Join the countless satisfied users who have enhanced their mobility and independence. Order now and experience the effortless freedom for yourself. Megatrone, where convenience meets performance.